Hey folks, thanks for tuning back into the Colonial Airstream channel. Joe Welch is here with another service tech tip video. Fall's just around the corner, which means those pesky leaves are going to be getting on our Airstream and probably falling in between our solar guards or our rock guards. And one of the questions we receive a lot here at Colonial is how do we properly remove stone and solar guards to either clean them or change them. Whether you took some damage on the road or you simply want to clean behind your guards, let me show you how. Come on, let's go. So let's start with the tools you will need for this little project. You're going to need your handy dandy screwdriver, a Phillips number 2, and a 7/16 socket wrench or nut driver like I have here to get the job done. Let's start up on top here with the solar guards. Although these guys are easy to take off, you need to be very careful when doing so in order to not damage your trailer, and I'll show you why in just a minute. Start by releasing your T-bar latch down on your right and your left in order to release your center guard here. Once you have it up, you can access these thumb screws, which is going to hold this in place. Make sure to do this on both sides. From here we can wipe up and clean underneath the center guard quite easily. To release the side guard, simply take that screwdriver that we spoke about earlier and locate your inner lip on your side panels. Then insert your screwdriver on those hold down screws, and you're only going to need to do about a quarter turn here. And that should release each side. And this is where you want to be careful. Now we're going to pull this guy away about 3 to 4 inches firmly, and we're going to be very careful not to crease against the side of the trailer. If you overextend it, it's almost a certainty. Now you can clean underneath these panels, or if you need to remove them, simply gently pull up and away from your trailer. Now we can get to any trapped debris that could be in here. Moving down to the stone guards, you're going to need that 7/16 socket that we just mentioned. As you can see inside of the guard here, it's actually hinged. So we're going to take these 3 bolts, remove them to be able to pull this guy away. So we're going to start here up top. Does not matter the order of operations you go through here. But if you see that one side is starting to pull out preemptively, you want to leave that tight and take that one off last. Now we're going to put in some effort here, but we're going to be very careful while pulling this away. Now we can get inside, clean this all up, but you want to prevent letting this hang or dangle or hit anything when you're removing it. What we tell our clients here is that these guards should be replaced if they are heavily damaged. I wouldn't consider this here substantial damage. If you need assistance in locating the right guards to fit your trailer, just reach out to our parts department and email here on the screen. Remember, proper care and maintenance is going to keep you and your RV happy for years to come. So once you're finished with these steps, just repeat them all backwards and you're going to be ready to hit the road again. Before we end this video, as always, we would really appreciate everybody hitting that like button and subscribing if you haven't already. And if you found this video helpful, or if you have any questions at all, be sure to leave us a comment below or reach out to us at colonialairstream.com. As always, our phone number is 800-265-9019. My name is Joe Welch's, and as always, I'll see you guys in that next Colonial service tip video.